friends, welcome back to the Money Video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about guys how can we unpair Bluetooth speaker to our phone. Friends, you have paired guys any Bluetooth device speaker, and friends you want to unpair this device. So friends, how can you unpair? In this video friends, I will show you. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video guys. So first of all guys, we will on guys our phone setting to unpair Bluetooth speaker. After on phone setting guys, scroll it. Friends, you can see phone connection setting. Friends, tap here. Guys, click on your phone Bluetooth setting. So when you want to unpair guys your Bluetooth speakers, so then how can you unpair? Friends, you can see guys this setting option, this JBL Go speaker guys paired you have right side setting option, tap here. Friends, you can see disconnect, rename. So you want to disconnect, you want to rename, you can rename and disconnect from here. But guys, we want to unpair, we don't want to use. So tap here guys, you can see you will need to pair it again if you want to use again. So as unpair option, tap here, then guys you cannot use guys your speaker guys you want to use, guys you will have to pair again, then guys you can use this speaker, otherwise not guys. So like that guys, you can unpair your Bluetooth speaker. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video, bye guys.